15 Cute things girls do that guys love. When it comes to impressing a guy, girls often don't need to put in much effort, or sometimes, no effort at all. Men are visually inclined beings who appreciate things that are visually pleasing. Interestingly, there are several adorable behaviors that girls naturally exhibit, which guys absolutely adore. Understanding and embracing these qualities can even enhance your relationship. So, without further ado, let's dive right into them. 1. Natural look. Girls tend to have a certain fascination with makeup and often hesitate to step out without a painted face. However, what they may not realize is that guys find their natural appearance incredibly endearing and even irresistible. While guys do appreciate when a girl dresses up and looks glamorous, they truly value it when she embraces her natural beauty and feels comfortable enough to go makeup-free around him. It displays her ease and confidence, which is truly appreciated. 2. Calling his name. Whether it's in the intimate setting of the bedroom or a playful whisper in public, when a girl utters a guy's name, it brings immense joy to him. Even the simplest act of calling his name when seeking assistance or greeting him has the power to secretly thrill him. 3. Wearing his clothes. Guys have an immense adoration for when their girlfriends slip into their shirts and t-shirts. Not only does it make them look incredibly cute in those oversized garments, but it also adds a touch of irresistible allure. There's a profound sense of safety and security that arises when a guy sees his girlfriend casually lounging around in his clothes. It signifies a level of comfort and intimacy that they both share with each other. 4. Wearing glasses. It's quite common for guys to find it endearing when a girl wears glasses. In fact, some even find it attractive and alluring. Perhaps there's something intriguing about the geeky look that holds its charm. It could also be associated with the appeal of teacher fantasies and the sense of intellectual allure. Whatever the underlying reason may be, there's no denying that it undeniably works its magic. 5. Bedhead. A girl who can effortlessly rock the disheveled look holds an undeniable charm and sweetness. In her unadorned and genuine form, she exudes vulnerability while still captivating those around her. This quality of hers is simply irresistible to most guys. 6. Biting her lips. Biting one's lip has long been recognized as a classic way of flirting, and it definitely grabs a guy's attention when a girl does it. However, when a girl unconsciously bites her lips as a habit, it adds a unique touch to her personality that can reignite a guy's love for her all over again. 7. Laughing. There's something truly infectious about a carefree laughter that illuminates your face, and guys can't resist when girls have a genuine and heartfelt laugh. Even a simple giggle can work wonders. Not only does it create a sense of comfort for guys, but it also intensifies their attraction towards girls, particularly when they're the ones responsible for evoking that laughter with their jokes. 8. Playing with her hair. A girl's hair is inherently attractive, and when she playfully interacts with it, it amplifies that appeal. Guys unquestionably enjoy witnessing a girl play with her hair, whether she does it intentionally or not. There's an enchanting quality to this hair-playing behavior that captivates guys, and they interpret it as a sign of interest. Perhaps that's exactly what it signifies. Whether she's twirling her locks or delicately tucking them behind her ears, it not only exudes cuteness but also embodies grace and femininity. 9. Reaching for something. Girls frequently rise onto their tiptoes, typically to reach high objects, and this is undeniably adorable to all guys. It's an irresistible sight that they can't seem to get enough of. Whether it's in a store, reaching for an item, or at a guy's place, attempting to reach the top shelf of his cupboard, believe it or not, guys often take their time before offering assistance because they're savoring the delightful view. 10. Wearing a baseball cap, forwards. Guys find it endearing when they spot a girl wearing a baseball hat in the forward-facing style. However, I'm not referring to the moment when a girl playfully snatches a hat from a guy's head just for a silly selfie. I'm talking about when a girl purchases her own hats and wears them correctly. She might appear slightly awkward, but that's precisely what adds to the cuteness factor. 11. The way she gets scared. Occasionally, girls' fears can be logical, while other times they may seem irrational. Nonetheless, guys are intrigued by the contrast between their strength in facing significant life challenges and their fearfulness when confronted with small things, such as spiders or anything creepy and crawly. In light of this, guys willingly take on the task of spider extermination for a girl or accompany her to the car at night when she prefers not to walk alone. Guys appreciate it when a girl experiences fear at times because it offers them the opportunity to step up and be her protector. 12. Video games and sports. Guys are absolutely enamored and they discover girls who share similar interests, particularly those who are fun-loving and adventurous. Women who show enthusiasm for sports and video games drive men wild. Of course, not all girls have those interests, but when they actively participate and show support, guys find it utterly adorable. 13. Cooking. Guys adore it when girls make an attempt to cook and express their affection through culinary endeavors. Even if they aren't master chefs, their willingness to give it a try means a lot. While their culinary creations may not always meet expectations, their effort is still greatly appreciated. 14. Pleading eyes. Undoubtedly, one of the most endearing gestures that makes guys appreciate and love girls even more is when they exhibit this particular behavior. Most guys would wholeheartedly concur that girls look incredibly adorable when they awaken in the morning, swathed in a cozy blanket, sporting a slightly dazed expression in their eyes. This holds true not only at the beginning of a relationship or fling but remains consistent throughout the entirety of the relationship. 15. Cuddling. While guys may occasionally claim that they are not fond of cuddling, when a guy is deeply in love with a girl, his desire to cuddle with her intensifies. There's nothing quite like having the girl he adores nestled in the warmth and security of his embrace. Whether she entwines herself around his neck upon seeing him, rests across his lap during a movie, or seeks his body as a source of comfort and warmth in bed, it brings him a profound sense of contentment. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.